Okay, so now we've grouped everything first, then we went through and tagged them after. We've got everything sitting on these 3 tags over here. So what I'm going to do is now just go through the process of creating these, turning this 2D floor plan into a 3D objects. All right, so what I'm going to do is pull up using the push-pull tool. Maybe I'll start with my exterior. Okay, so first thing, we need to be inside the group if we want to push, pull, or edit it. So everything here is now grouped. Everything's got a group. So if I double click on this, I can then go pick for push, pull, click on the surface, bring it up, and I'm just going to go 2.4 meters is pretty standard, and 2.7 is also another standard height. I think this design starts off and goes higher into the middle of the house. I might just do my exterior walls at 2.4 meters. So I'm using the millimeter template, 2400, enter. Now, the good thing, I'm just going to hit space to exit this, or click off it to exit it. So I've drawn my first exterior wall. Now I'm going to pull up everything, regardless of whether it's going to be a door or window. Everything around the outside I'll pull up. Now if I click on this next one, push, pull, grab it, the next thing we're going to do is just use existing geometry to snap it to the right height. So I'll continue to do that. All right, so as you can see, I've done my exterior walls. Now you can see there's lots of different lines showing in them, but it's okay because when we go to use our say Enscape, our rendering software, those lines aren't picked up. But also in SketchUp, if you just want to hide those join lines, what you can do is go down to Edge Style and uncheck it, and then you get the walls appearing how you might have hoped. But yeah, in Enscape, the edges are not picked up. So I might just turn them back on for now, and I'm just going to work my way through and do the internal walls next. Now the good thing about the fact that we've tagged them is I can just turn off my exterior walls, and they are then hidden for me to go ahead and start working on my interior walls. All right, so I'll just do the first one, then I'll come back to it. So remembering, double click on it, push, pull, grab it. Now in this case, the first one I'm drawing, I'm going to drive it with 2400 dimension. And then what I'll do is I'll use that one as a reference point. So I go into my next one, push, pull, and then just over here, there we go. And I'll keep working my way around. Okay, so as you can see, I've done my internal walls now, and I can turn these on and off, and those on and off. So it's kind of like about where I want you to be at. Actually, I can see there's one more thing I forgot to do. Double click on that one, push, pull. So the next thing we'll probably look at is cutting holes in this and putting our doors and windows in. Yeah, that's on the next tutorial.